welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week, we highlight 5 new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week, we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is a 29-piece pyramid point drill bit set from Mac Tools, which is made from durable M35 cobalt steel for drilling through materials including stainless steel, hardened alloy, grade 8 fasteners, and cast irons. Our next tool is the Cornwell Quality Tools CBPD M150 True RMS Smart Digital Multimeter with Color LCD. This tool offers smart meter capability, allowing it to automatically detect if the user is measuring voltage, resistance, or continuity. Our third tool is the Bosch Diagnostics ADS-X software updates 6.11 and 6.22, which add coverage for the first 2026 model year vehicles to Bosch ADX-X series scan tools, with the addition of DTC, data support, and bidirectional controls for Chevrolet and GMC. Next is a 15/16-inch ratcheting flex head cage bolt wrench from Lyle Corporation, which is designed to be used when replacing air brake chambers on late model Class 7 and 8 trucks and trailers with the Meritor and Bendix disc brakes without removing the wheel. Finally, our last tool is a Hazette Assistance 179 NXL8 388 tool trolley, which features 8 drawers with 5 fully stocked soft foam inserts and a total of 388 tools selected for commercial vehicle and van workshops. So much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Stay tuned for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issue by following the links below. See you next week.